By the end of this video, you will know what factors affect focus in the long run, as well as how you can achieve focus within the immediate time frame. With that in mind, let's jump in. First, if your attention is diverted to many thoughts in your mind, go stare at something for a few minutes. This could be a wall or any object that you can find in the house. Focus on that specific point of the wall or object, and do so without forming other thoughts. Make it such that staring at that particular point is your only stimulus, and where your full attention and concentration should be expended on. This is effective as the focus gained from staring at that particular point can then be used for the task that you wanted to work on without reductions in work quality. The second thing you need to do depends on the task that you are doing, or else this method does not apply, and that is to clean your working space or desk of any unnecessary books, documents, or papers randomly scattered, which may cause you to stress as you would then worry about the unnecessary rather than placing your concern on the main thing. In addition, I would recommend listening to 40 Hz binaural beats for 5 minutes before doing the task such as this video on YouTube, as binaural beats can transition you from a more alert state into a calmer and more relaxed state, which would be ideal for focusing on a task. Lastly, make sure that you are in an environment where noise levels are minimal or completely eliminated so that it does not interrupt your workflow on the task you are doing. By doing all of this, you can achieve the level of focus you need to get your tasks done. But even if the methods I mentioned can be effective for gaining instant focus, there are long-term factors which have way more impact on the level of focus that you can achieve. So let's look at these factors. Sleep without a doubt is a key contributor to focus, and this goes without much saying, as good sleep quantity and quality will power you with a sufficient amount of energy and a feeling of refreshment to go on with the day. But more specifically, sleep deprivation increases your sensitivity to heightened emotional responses, or in other words, mood swings, which would eat away your focus that you plan to use. With insufficient sleep also comes stress because you are not able to fully recharge with sleep, so your stress hormones and levels elevate and make you more alert instead of being composed. Therefore, your attention would be diverted to the irrelevant things around you. So, get your sleep right. Another no surprise as well. With nutrition being the forgotten basic requirement of humans nowadays, we implant ourselves with lacking vitamins and minerals, which would otherwise have contributed positively and regulate brain function and energy levels. For example, antioxidants such as vitamin C and E protect the brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, so lacking these things would only bring about what they prevent. Adding on, consuming sugary food with refined carbs can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes that lead to mood swings and most likely stress. And just like sleep deprivation, this stress would divert your attention and cause you to not focus at what you wanted to do. If you are looking to relieve stress, being exposed to nature has to be one of the best things to do this. As shown in a few studies, exposure to nature can improve attention and lower stress hormones, such as cortisol. So get off your lazy arse and electronic gadget and embrace the connection with nature we always had. I hope this video provides you with a foundation of how you can develop a self-tailored method to achieve focus. Consider liking this video as well as subscribing to my YouTube channel so that I can get the support and motivation to create more useful content for you guys. Until next time.